Hey everyone, welcome to Happily Ever After. Welcome to our channel. This is our wonderful family. This is Amanda, Jackson, Stella, and I'm Mitchell. For all of those that are new and just joining our channel, if you are watching this, you're watching it because you're excited to join us on our Disney vacation. We have a 3-year-old, Jackson's 3. Yeah. Stella is just a little over 2 months.
She's 11 weeks.
Yeah, so she is a full-on baby, right? So I think it's going to be a lot of fun that we're going to get to share with you guys, and we hope you guys are excited to follow along. We have our TikTok, we have Instagram, we have a podcast. Yeah. We have a lot of fun things. There's a Facebook page. You can follow us on there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the Cheerios. We're gonna eat Cheerios.
We're gonna eat Cheerios. Okay, we're gonna eat Cheerios. And then also we have a Patreon where we do extra stuff over there as well. Today is what?
What day is today?
Today is Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Pre-travel day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then the Cheerios.
So give the date. The 17th?
17th, yeah.
Cheerios.
Is that all you're concerned about is cereal right now?
Yeah.
Okay, well this is going to be really exciting for you.
Yeah.
So tomorrow we leave super early in the morning. We're leaving our house about 6:15 a.m. To head to the airport so we can get on the plane and head on down. Let's get started with our pre-travel day. Alright, so we got to put up our Mickey wreath. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Do you want to hold on to it and I'll lift you up?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? Put it up on the hook. Perfect.
Yeah, I did it.
You did it. Now Jackson and I are going to go up to the store real quick and grab a couple of snacks and little pre-travel things. And we're going to leave you here.
Okay.
We're going to go to the store.
Get some Sour Patch Kids.
Get some Sour Patch Kids.
Yeah.
While you have Stella.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll see you in a minute. Are you ready to go in and get some snacks for our plane to Disney?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you know what you want?
Yeah.
Yeah, you do?
Yeah.
Okay, well we'll go take a look inside, okay? Okay, I already found Amanda's little snack that she wants for the plane. Alright, it's your turn to pick something out. Do you want to pick a couple of things?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, what do you want to pick out? What do you see?
Oh, I like this.
You like those?
Yeah.
Okay.
I did this.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah.
Do you want to eat chocolate?
Oh,
M&M's?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get some M&M's then.
Oh, how about these?
Those are peanut butter M&M's. Do you like peanut butter M&M's?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I want those.
Okay. Okay, I have some more options for you.
Hooray.
Hooray, you got your bag of M&M's. You're pretty much set after that. But do you want to get some crackers? Or do you want some peanuts to take? Or trail mix? What would you like?
I want trail mix.
You want trail mix?
And this
And that one, okay. Let's see. Maybe one of these trail mixes. Which one did you get, Jack? Show us. You got the purple one? I know you got M&M's. Got the protein trail mix. Oh, okay. Alright, so I think that was pretty successful. We got a couple of things for the plane ride. Now it's time to go back home, do a little bit more packing, and getting ready for the trip. So we got Jack down for his nap, and this is what some last minute packing looks like. Really just getting my suitcase together. The biggest thing is Stella stuff, because a lot of it is like now.
Yeah.
She needs it now. So it's just, yeah, I know. She's literally on my hip. There we go, a little bit in focus. So just getting last little minute stuff together. And then Jack will be up from his nap soon, and then we're going to go out to Kohl's and Sam's Club. Also forgot to mention, we just have on a live stream of Disney. And then later on tonight before bed, what are we going to be watching? What is our tradition?
Disneyland Fun Songs.
Disneyland Fun Songs. So we totally forgot to film, but we went to Kohl's and Sam's Club. Yeah.
It's
Sam's Club, yeah. So
I want this Cheerio.
why are you still talking about Cheerios?
You're going to eat in the Cheerios. And then going to
Okay. All right. I think we're all done with the Cheerio saga, okay? So we went over to Sam's Club to check out
Gift cards.
And because at Sam's Club they have like some deals usually. And what do we find?
Nothing.
Nothing. That their deals online were better.
Yeah, they were.
So we're gonna purchase them online. So then we made a quick trip to Kohl's to do a pickup order because Amanda's mom got Jackson a little something for the trip. And then we made a stop at Arby's. And we used to go to Arby's when we would drive down to Florida. We'd always stop. It was the midway point. We'd always get some Arby's to eat. So it was kind of nice to get a little Arby's for our dinner tonight. Is it time?
Time.
Do you know what it is? What is it?
This one.
Is it Disneyland sing-along songs?
Yeah.
Yeah. The song may change, but they're both still like really into it. Alright, it's bedtime, and we're going to read a book that we just got Jackson. It's Mickey's Adventure at Disney World. I think that's what it's called.
Mickey's, Walt Disney World Adventure.
Alright, so we're going to get him ready for bed. Jack, are you excited to go to Disney? Yeah.
Snacks. I had fun too, Mickey said, and I can't wait to lead the parade tonight. I'll get to wear my brand new drum major's hat.
Alright, good night, Jack. We'll see you in the morning, okay? One more sleep till Disney.
Good night, baby. Sweet dreams.
Well, we got Jack asleep, but this one's just too excited, I think, to go to Disney. Is that it? Are you just too excited? So I was trying to get her to sleep, and Amanda's been working on getting everything else together and packed. This is like the first time we've ever had like a pre-travel day. Usually I'm working every day up into vacation, and this is the first time we're going on vacation with 2 kids. So it's a lot more hectic, and I've been a lot more busy this time than ever before, and we just haven't had the time. How much have we packed though before tonight? Because we've packed, right?
Yeah, a pretty good amount, and we've like got a lot of stuff set out. It's just with her, there's a lot more last minute things than what there usually is.
Yeah, so it's like accounting for that, and it's just like getting everything together and like make sure, you know, like, cause
everything's different. Even from when Jackson, when we went when he was a baby, he didn't require that many bottles. He was 8 months old. Yeah, and we were feeding him differently than what we're feeding Stella. So there's a lot more like things involved this time, which we will. I think it's important to talk about, like, because I'm pumping this time and we're giving her formula, and that requires a lot of extra stuff and a lot of extra thought. Yes. And I've looked up a whole bunch of different ways and where and hows to pump in the parks and how to make that work. So I'm just trying to compile like a mental list, and then maybe we can make like a video or some like tips here and there about how I've been doing that, because it's going to be a challenge. It is. I think that's what's going to be really cool and interesting about our vacation this time is something. We've been to Disney how many times? Yeah. We've taken a kid, a young kid, a baby, but we've never taken a 2-month-old, and you're doing your feeding differently this time. So there's just a lot of new processes. So yeah, we want to show you guys more. We want to go in more depth. We want to help other families who might be considering taking their babies, and then also we'll probably talk a lot about it on our podcast as well. Which, like, it's really hard to like show in the moment like things, because there's so much happening. Like Jack needs attention and Stella needs attention almost like constantly. Yeah. So it's gonna be really hard to just like stop and pull out a camera and like talk about what we did or like show what we're doing or what we found. But we're gonna try. We're gonna do our best. Yeah. And we have a lot of stuff planned. Yeah. This trip is like, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Yeah. I'm really excited. Finally got Stella down. Amanda's doing some pumping right now. We got some more stuff packed. We got the cats pretty much set up and ready to go. So that's good. And Amanda is working on our Walmart order. We got together with the family a couple of days ago and we said, okay, what does everyone want? What does everyone need? Let's make a Walmart order and we'll pick it up on our way from the airport to the resort. We did this in the fall with Jackson. It worked out fantastic. I know there's an option to order and have it delivered to your room, but it just seemed like easier for us just to, we're on our way just to pick it up and just do it that way. So that's what she's doing. She has a whole list. She's compiling it and putting it in. I just checked in with Toro. We've talked about Toro before.
Turo is a car rental company, I guess you could say. It's not really it's kind of a mediator between you and somebody else who's loaning you or renting their car to you, and it's been great. So I know, especially in the Orlando area, if you're traveling, renting a car in that area or from an airport is super expensive. Ever since COVID, rentals have been extremely hard to come by and extremely expensive. So ever since then, we've been using Turo, and honestly, the price has been cut in half. So that's what we're doing this time. We rented a van. Price is more than half of what it was going to charge. I think it was going to be, because we got a huge minivan, it was going to be like $1,000 for the week while we're there, and we only paid $400, which is fantastic. So talked to the guy. He's already dropped it off. I did all the instructions for him to send over my license, to verify my ID, so we're all set with that. So I'm going to do some last minute packing now, tidying up. It's what time is it?
11:31.
11:31, and we're going to wake up at 5 o'clock. And we have a couple more things to do around the house, so I'll try to get it done as fast as possible. We had to put something on the TV, so got the old resort TV back on.
Okay, what time is it?
1 o'clock.
Yeah.
Actually, 1:04 to be exact. What time are we getting up?
5?
5, so a little less than 4 hours. I'm going to be awake and ready to go. But
yeah,
we had a lot to do tonight, so.
well, and what else happened?
Stella did not want to sleep, so every time we put her down, she just kept waking up, which out of all nights, we don't really have that many issues with her, like sleeping,
Yeah.
but had a big
And
night.
then she went to sleep, and then 10 minutes later she woke up.
She woke up, and then laid her down, and she went to go to sleep, so it was back and forth, so we probably spent...
And then what kind of a phone call did you have to make tonight?
Oh, then we forgot. That's a good point. We forgot to add Stella to our flights, because when we booked our flights, it was before she was here, so we didn't know the due date. We weren't even decided on the name at that point, so we're like, there's two things here that were working against us, so we had to wait. So I spent, 25 minutes on the phone with the
Yep.
Legionnaire. Got it settled though, so she's on. She's bored. Oh, I gotta go in and gotta check in for our flight.
Yeah.
But anything else?
I don't think so.
All right.
So we've got some bottles over there that are still being sterilized and cleaned. That's kind of the only thing that, like, last minute thing that has to be done. Everything else is kind of over here. It looks like a mess, but it's a organized mess. We know what's going on. Most of the stuff that's like out is stuff that we're going to like need or wear. And then Mitchell's suitcase just needs more bottles in it. Oh, and I did my nails. You can't see them, but I did them.
They look great.
Thanks.
So that's it for pre-travel day, or pre-travel night, I guess.
Yeah.
We'll see you guys in a couple hours then.